Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to use Asana quickly and easily, perfect for beginners who want to manage projects like a pro. First, open your browser and go to asana.com. If you're new, create an account with your email and password. If you already have one, just log in. Next, on your homepage, click Start a New Project. You can choose a template or start from scratch. Templates are great for structure, but blank projects give you full creative control. After that, name your project, something clear and goal-focused. Then choose how you want it displayed, list, timeline, or calendar view. Now click Create Project to launch it. Start adding tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. You can also add subtasks to break things down further. To complete your setup, head to My Tasks to see everything assigned to you. Explore the Customize section to add forms, rules, and custom fields that fit your team's workflow. And that's it. You've just built your first project in Asana, a smart way to stay organized and boost team productivity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.